Hello everybody, Mr. Flanders here, and welcome to day 2 of our distance learning science unit. Hopefully it is the last day 2 that we have. Today we're going to be talking about plants again, but more specifically we're going to be talking about germination. Now I know what you're thinking, what is germination? I'm about to tell you. Germination is the time frame it takes for a plant to come out of the ground. Okay? It's a really big word for such a simple little idea. In fact, I'd like you guys to practice saying it with me, okay? The word is germination. What's the word? Germination. That's good. So yeah, we're going to be talking about germination today, how long it takes for a plant to come out of the ground, because not all plants are created equal. Plants are very much like people. They take their own time. So if I put a strawberry plant in over here on Monday and a lettuce plant here on Monday, that doesn't mean they're both going to grow at the same speed at the same time. They're two completely different plants. All right? We can't expect the same thing from one plant as the other. They're different. But we'll talk more about that in just a second. Go ahead and get your packet ready. Go ahead and get your mouse ready, whatever you got to do, because we're going to jump into our science lesson in 3, 2, 1, go! Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Flanders here, and welcome to the second part of our lesson today. And we are going to continue talking about germination, the word that I kept saying just a second ago. Before we do that, however, please write your name at the top of the paper along with the date. The date is 9/29. Yes, that is a 29/20. Okay, the 9 stands for September, the 29 stands for the day, and the 20 stands for the year. Okay. As you are finishing that up, we are going to continue talking about germination, which is how long it takes for a plant to come out of the ground. Remember, each plant is different. It could take 3 days, it could take 17 days, it could take 1 day. It just depends upon the plant. So, what I'm going to do is read this little section right here. We are then going to talk about the plant and the days of germination. We are going to read question 1 and question 2, as well as the answers for each one, but it is going to be up to you to circle the correct answer. Okay? Okay. Plants take time to come out of the ground. This is called germination. So our plant over here is carrot, and we see that its days to germination, which is the days it takes to come out of the ground, is 6. Lettuce takes only 3 days to germinate. Parsley takes 14 days to germinate. Tomatoes take 6 days. And then a cucumber takes 10 days. So number 1 asks, which plant germinates the most quickly? And this is going to be the plant that has the smallest number of days. So is it A, tomato? That's the plant that germinates most quickly. B, lettuce. C, carrot. Or D, cucumber. Which plant germinates the most quickly? The tomato, the lettuce, the carrot, or the cucumber? Number 2, which plant takes the longest time to germinate? This means this is the biggest number. The longest means the most days. So A, parsley. B, carrot. C, tomato. Or D, cucumber. Which plant takes the longest time to germinate? Parsley, carrot, tomato, or cucumber? what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that worksheet with you for now, ladies and gentlemen. If you've already circled the correct answers, that's great. If you need a little bit more help, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you are using the plant graph and the days of germination to answer question 1 and question 2. I'm going to get running though. I have to continue getting ready for you guys coming back in just a couple of days, and there is still so much to do. I can't wait to see you all though. I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are too. But for now, we got to keep at it with our distance learning, at least for another day or so. So with that being said, you go ahead and work on this. I'm going to go ahead and work on the classroom, and I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.